Alrighty guys, today I'm going to be talking to you about the Rain Design mStand laptop stand. Yeah, it's pretty simple, but also super convenient, and I'm going to tell you why. This one in particular is rose gold. I believe they also come in just like a regular kind of aluminum silver color and white. I'm not totally sure. We chose to get this one. As to why I got it, we're actually grilling a lot this summer, and we have been lately, and just cooking, and you know, it's difficult because a lot of the recipes that we get when we use recipes are from online. So I use my laptop, but you know, place my laptop on like a table or something, or having to run back inside to like check it to make sure the recipe is right is kind of annoying. So we wanted to get something that maybe like, you know, elevates it so I can put it on like a stand next to the grill and, you know, keep it from getting dirty and also just make more space. So that's why I got it. It's really helpful for that. I have a desktop computer in here, but I can imagine that most people would use it to put their laptops on their desk if they didn't have a desktop. And I think that's why most people buy it, but you know, it just goes to show it has more than one use. So that's what I use it for. As to what it does, pretty much raises your notebook screen height by about like, I don't know, I would say like 6-7 inches maybe. And you can see it a little better. And it has it at this kind of like nice angle, easier to stand and see, especially if you know your countertops are about like waist high and you have to like, you know, put your hands down. It's not good for your wrist to be bending them that way and typing. So it's nice to have it here and you can stand and type and it's comfortable, it's ergonomical. It makes more sense. And then also it keeps it, you know, off of surfaces, like I said before, that might be dirty because of the way it's shaped. So your laptop would sit up here and it would stand on this little piece right down here. As for the build, it's a single piece of, I guess, like aluminum, pretty heavy, you know, feels really sturdy, it feels durable, which is really nice. I like to judge a lot of kind of products that I get by their weight. I think it can say a lot about something, you know. It's very sleek, it's kind of almost just like an Apple laptop, you know, or something similar. It's got that kind of sand-blasted, anodized finish, really smooth and sleek. And because it's got this aluminum build, I feel like it keeps my laptop really cool. On the top here as well, you have these little rubber stoppers. Keeps your laptop from sliding around, sliding off, and also raises it slightly off the surface, which again helps in having allowing air to kind of run under it and keep it cool. Because it's a single piece, and the way that this single piece is designed, it's very sturdy. As you can see, I'll show you from the side. Very sturdy. You're not gonna, you know, and look at that, it doesn't even move. So really cool design. It totally makes sense the way they did it, and it's awesome. The underside is really cool. I would imagine most people would use this to, you know, if they were using an extra keyboard or something, they could put their keyboard there when they were done to make more desk space. Like I said, I use this for cooking mostly, so when I have my laptop sitting right here, especially on like our small table outside by our grill, I can put our like utensils and stuff under here and keep those away and still have room for my laptop on top, which is awesome. So, you know, it almost acts as just another little storage space too, which is really cool. And it's, I think, designed for definitely smaller laptops than mine. Not totally sure. I think it's about 10. I think they do the 10-inch laptops. That's what they're made for. But I'll show you right now. Mine is a 15-inch. Put it on there. And it still works. It definitely hangs off the back, as you can see. not totally well, but you know, the point is it's really sturdy. It works. And again, like keeps it at a nice angle. Just, you know, just makes sense. Yeah, it fits on there really nicely. And there's one more thing that I want to show you. And that is in the back, you have this 2-inch hole. Very reminiscent of the iMacs. If you have an iMac or have seen the new iMacs, you'll notice that in the stand on the back they have a hole that's very similar. It's essentially for cable management. It's about 2 inches in diameter. And yeah, it's good if you have, cables. If you're someone who's using this inside, I can imagine that would be really nice to be able to, maybe run like your keyboard plug through here, or even like your laptop cord, and just have it like constantly, hanging out in here, and you don't have to worry about it getting all over the place. So yeah, this is again the Rain Design mStand. It's a really nifty little device, and I'd recommend it to anyone who maybe needs a more comfortable viewing position for their laptop, or someone who's constantly cooking and using recipes online. It can be a very helpful tool to have in the kitchen, which is a little unexpected, but I really like it for that reason. All right, guys, have fun. Check it out. Bye.